Hello dear students, welcome to the YouTube channel of कुनार क्लासेस। कुनार क्लासेस का YouTube चैनल पे आपका स्वागत है। Now let us solve some problem together based on the principles of counting we have learned in the previous sessions. The first question I am just going to write it down. You also write along with me and start solving it the way I am providing the solution. Okay. The first question I am writing it here is that find the number of 4-letter words. Find the number of 4-letter words with or without meaning. With or without meaning. Which can be formed out of the letters of the word, out of the letters of the word rose, R-O-S-E, where the repetition of the letter is not allowed. Where the repetition of the letters is not allowed. So let us see that how we can approach this question. So if we look into this, the letters, there are 4 places. Okay. What are the 4 places? This is 1, this is 1, this is 1. So suppose this is the first place, this is the second place, this is the third place, and this is the fourth place. So now I will tell you that first what is the meaning of with or without meaning. See, rose, there is a proper meaning of this this particular word. But from this rose we can also form a word called S-R-E-O. This particular word doesn't have any meaning. But in context to this question, we can consider this type of letters, this type of words as well. Now the question is that in how many different ways we can form it. Now, and another important point is that where the repetition of the letters is not allowed. Repetition of the letters is not allowed. Now let's look into the first position. The first position can be filled in either by R or by O or by S or by E. That means this can be filled in 4 different ways. Now for each of these 4 different ways, the second position can be filled in the 3 different ways. How? Because that whatever has been occupied by the first position, that letter we cannot use in the second one. For example, in the first position we use the letter called O. Then in the second position we cannot use O. Okay? So what we can use? We can use either R or S or E. That means what, dear students? That if the first position is filled, the second position can be filled in 3 different ways. Now for each of the 4 ways of filling the first position, the second position can be filled in 3 different ways. So that means it is a principle of multiplication, 4 into 3. That means, dear students, there are 4 into 3 different ways the first 2 places can be filled up. Now when the first 2 places are filled up, then the third position can be filled up in two different ways because two letters are left. Why it is two letters left? Because the repetition is not allowed. I will explain after some time what will happen if we allowed the repetition. And then the fourth position after that, so here it will get 4 into 3 into 2. These are the different ways the first three places can be filled up. Now after filling up these three places, then we are left with one word, and that word can be placed in the fourth position. So that means the final number of ways we can form is that 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, and it is actually 24. So the answer is that there are 24 24 different ways the letter can be formed out of the letters of the word rose if the repetition of the letters is not allowed. Suppose we change this problem little bit, the repetition is allowed. If repetition is allowed, dear students, then the problem, how we can represent that problem. Here also you can make these 4 places, correct? The first one, second one, third one. So this is the first place, this is the second place, this is the third place, and this is the fourth place. Now if you see, the first place can be filled in any of these 4 letters. So that can be done in 4 ways. Now the second place, that also can be filled in 4 ways. Why? Because there is repetition is possible here. Repetition is allowed. That means if in the first place we choose O, then in the second place also you can choose O. Third place also you can choose O. Fourth place also you can choose O. So that means we can choose the third place in the 4 different ways. So in how many ways the first 2 places can be selected? Is that 4 into 4. Now for each of these 4 into 4 ways of choosing the first and second position, the third position can also be chosen in the 4 different ways. So into 4. And in the similar manner, the fourth position can also be filled in 4 different ways. So that 4 into 4 into 4 into 4, okay, that is equal to 256. These are the different ways that letters of the word ROAC can be formed with or without meaning when repetition is allowed. I hope you got a very clear understanding while I solve this problem. Okay. Now I am going to work on the second question. I am going to work on the second question, and second question I am going to place it in front of you in another few seconds. Okay. Let me rub it off and write down the second question. Now, understanding of these, initial questions, if you understand it very clearly, then it will be very helpful to solve any relevant problem. You can approach those problems with much confidence. Okay, and never hesitate to provide your comments in the comment section, and I will update the questions accordingly. Now the next question, I am going to place it here, dear students. I am going to write the question here. The second question, given 4 flags of different colors, how many different signals can be generated if a signal requires the use of two flags, one below the other, So let us first understand the question. Okay, so if you read that question, given 4 flags of different colors, okay, how many different signals can be generated in a signal if a signal requires use of 2 flags? So usage of 2 flags, the first flag can be kept here, one below the other, and the second flag can be kept in this position. Correct, dear students? So this is the first flag and this is the second flag. Now the upper vacant place, okay, that is upper vacant place can be filled in 4 different ways. Correct or not? Because there are 4 flags of different colors. So 4 flags of different colors. So this upper flag can be filled in 4 different ways. For example, if we assume the colors as red, okay, then blue, then green, and then black, suppose. Okay, so then the first vacant place can be either filled by red or blue or green or black. So now once you choose that upper flag, then the lower flag, okay, can be chosen in 3 different ways, because both the flags color has to be different. The moment that one is already chosen, okay, so that flag, that color cannot be used for the second position. So that can be done in 3 different ways. So what are the different ways we can do it is that 4 into 3, that is equal to 12. Here also the principle of multiplication came into the picture. I hope you got a very clear understanding of this question, and now we are going to proceed for the third question, and I am going to make that question available to you in another few seconds. Okay. So question number 3, and I also read out as I write, how many 2 digits, how many 2-digit even numbers, 2-digit even numbers can be formed? Can be formed, okay, from the digits from the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If the digits can be repeated, if the digits can be repeated. Now, there are a few important points here in this question. That the first important point is that we need to form 2-digit even numbers. The moment it is a 2-digit even number, so let us make 2 places because of the 2 digits. So this is the units place and this is the 10th place, right? So now as it is a even number, the units place can be filled in either by 2 or by 4. Correct or not? So what we see is that this particular place, that units place, can be filled in 2 different ways, either by 2 or by 4. Now once this particular units place is filled by either 2 or 4, that is 2 different ways, for each of these 2 different ways, the 10th place, okay, that can be filled in 5 different ways. How come? Because repetition is allowed. Okay, the digits can be repeated. Okay, so as digits can be repeated, suppose in the units place we wrote 4. As digits can be repeated in the tens place also we can write 4. No issue. Okay, so once we fill that units place in two different ways, for each of these two different ways, the tens place can be filled in 5 different ways. So the required number is 2 into 5, that is equal to 10. I hope you got a very clear idea, dear students. And this is also an application of principle of counting, that is in specifically principle of multiplication. Okay, now I'm going to place the next question, and you will get it in another few seconds. Okay. So I read out the question as I write. Find the number of different signals. Find the number of different signals that can be generated by arranging at least 2 flags one below the other on a vertical staff if 5 different flags are available. If 5 different flags are available. Okay, so let's go through this problem once more, and then let's start finding the solution. Find the number of different signals that can be generated by arranging at least, that at least is a very important word here. Okay, at least, that is very important here. At least 2 flags, okay, in order, that means one below the other of a vertical staff if 5 different flags are available. Okay, so a signal can consist of either 2 flags. Okay, a signal can consist of either 2 flags or 3 flags or 4 flags or 5 flags. Because of this word, usage of the word at least, so it can have 2 or more. Okay, so now the point is that let us now count the possible number of signal consisting of 2 flags, 3 flags, 4 flags and 5 flags separately, and after that we will add them, and here there we will bring the concept of principle of addition. Let's look into the 2 flag signals. Okay, there are ways of filling the 2 vacant places. In how many ways? So there are 2 vacant places for 2 flags. This case we are considering. There are 2 vacant places, right? So one place in the upper part. So this can be done in how many ways? This can be done in the upper flag can be done in 5 different ways. Why? Because 5 different flags are available. So in the upper part can be done in 5 different ways. And for each of these 5 different ways, the lower part can be filled in 4 different ways because of the different signals. Okay? Number of different signals, correct? So 5 into 4, that is 20. So the required number for 2 flags is 5 into 4 is equal to 20. Then let's come to the the 3 flags. In case of 3 flags, so how it looks like? So it looks like something like this. There are 3 flags. Now here if you look at that, the first one can be filled in 5 different ways. For each of these 5 different ways, the second one can be done in 4 different ways. And for each of these 5 different ways of the first place and 4 different of the second place, the third one can be done in 3 different ways. So the required number is actually 5 into 4 into 3. That is equal to what we get is as 60. Now let's come to the 4 flag system. In a similar manner, if you look into the 4 flag system, so how it looks like, it will be looks like something like this. Correct? So now the first place can be done in 5 different ways. For each of these ways, the second place can be done in 4 different ways. For each of these ways, the third place can be done in 3 different ways. And for each of these ways, the first place can be done in 2 different ways. So here the required number is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2. And that becomes 120. Now, in the similar manner, if I look into the the 5 flag system, so let me draw it, the 5 flag system. So the first place can be done in 4 different ways. Second place can be done in first place can be done in 5 different ways. The second place can be done in 4 different ways. The third place can be done in 3 different ways. The second place can be done in 2 different ways, and the first place can be done in 1 different way. So what is the required number here? The required number here is that 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, and that is equal to 120. So you see, dear students, in all these cases, the separate cases, 2 flags, 3 flags, 4 flags and 5 flags, independently we have used the principle of multiplication. Okay, now the question is that find the number of different signals that can be generated by arranging at least 2 flags, okay, one below the other on a vertical step if 5 different flags are available. Now, so we need to add, so if I use a different color, so independently the 2 flags can be done in 20 different ways. Okay, independently the 3 flags can be done in 60 different ways. Independently the 4 flags can be done in 120 different ways. And independently the 5 flags can also be done in 120 ways. So the required number of ways in context to the question is that addition of all these numbers, that is 20 plus 60 plus 120 plus 120, and it comes to us as 320. So required answer is 320. So dear students, I hope you got a very clear idea about as we solve these 4 questions. Now, in the next session, we will be discussing about permutations in details and derivation of the relevant formula. So meanwhile, please work on the daily practice problems as available in the online platform at www.konarclasses.com, and please do let me know your comments about the lecture what I have provided here. What are the improvements you want me to consider, and what are the new topics you want me to cover, and I will do the needful. Thank you very much.